Here's what's great about IONOS. Their Plus plan is $1 per month for your first year. That's $12 total. You get unlimited websites, unlimited storage, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and 24/7 support. All for $12 your first year. They guarantee 99.99% uptime. Your site stays online. They make it easy for beginners. One-click WordPress install, clean control panel. You don't need to be technical. They have actual 24/7 support, phone and email. If you get stuck, you can call someone. During checkout, you don't need these to get started. You can skip them and add them later if you want. The price is low, the setup is easy, and you get everything you need. You can build a professional site without spending hundreds of dollars upfront. Unlimited websites and storage means you won't hit limits as you expand. IONOS Plus is great for most sites, but if you're getting hundreds of thousands of visitors per month, you'll need something more powerful. IONOS requires a 1-year commitment to get the promotional rate. If you only want to try hosting for a month, they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're getting unlimited everything, a free domain, security, backups, and support. You get 30 days to try everything risk-free. If you build your site and decide it's not for you, cancel and get your money back. Click the link in the description below. The discount applies automatically. Pick the Plus plan. Add your domain. Add the $1 domain guard for security. Skip the optional extras for now. Checkout. Total is about $13 for your first year. You'll get an email with login info. Click Get Started. Install WordPress. Build your site. Is IONOS good for beginners? Yes. It's affordable, reliable, and easy to use. Just know the renewal price and you're good. Links in the description. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.